it's pretty straightforward. What we'll do is we'll replace the shower grout in the floor. We'll put a Marpe epoxy in there, which will stop all of this leaching and breakdown degradation. It's pretty bad, a lot of grout missing. We'll reset the drain. We'll install new silicone all the way around the shower, including the upright. And then we'll colour seal the wall. So these apartments, these properties are getting on. We've done a lot of work in the beaches with a lot of properties, independent property managers and property owners. So this is pretty straightforward. So we can get this looking really good on budget. So we'll put a nice white colour sealer through here. We do not need to cut out the grout and replace it. We'll colour seal the walls, but the floor needs that new grout. Out here, my recommendation is that we colour seal this floor. You don't need to take the grout out on this floor, just colour seal it, it'll stand up for years. New silicone around the toilet. The edges look pretty good, won't get too carried away. So, quite a straightforward job. Something we've done many times before on the beaches.
Okay guys, and here's the finished result. Check this out. This is standard, we do hundreds of these a year.
So we actually had to end up putting quite a bit of grout in the floor. So this floor here needed to be regrouted. So we've done colour seal and regrout, and it's come up 98%, not 100%, as you'd expect. These buildings are quite tired and getting on. They're quite old, but yeah, whole floor's been done. So that took quite a bit of effort, but all part of our scope. We've got it done. Shower floor has been re-grouted, prepped and re-grouted. We had to re-glue a tile in here as well. This tile here was a little loose, so that's been re-glued. We've gone and replaced the drain now. You'll see the current one that was in place just here. We haven't quoted for this, we just did it as a matter of course. It's what we do. So here's the end result, and all fixed into place. We've got on silicone, brand new silicone in the shower, and also you'll see the walls now are white all the way through, so they're double coat colour sealed. So colour seal is incredible for this. This is what it's designed for. Just zoom out a bit. So what we do, instead of trying to cut and Dremel and remove current grout, which you don't need to do. The grout was perfect. It was just stained over years of use. So the colour sealer cap's on top. It's a titanium oxide. It's made in the United States. If you try and cut all this grout out, you've got a hell of a mess. So you have a commercial cleaning company having to come in to get rid of all the dust everywhere. That's number one. And number two, you've got a really good chance that you'll crack, chip or damage a tile. So we just don't go there, and you don't need to. Everything all done. Job done. Shower glass as identified at assessment's all fine, and the job is complete. All cleaned up. This is Grout Perfect, and this is Phil.